Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Millie. Today I'm gonna to show you how to write a perpendicular stroke. It's also called a vertical stroke. Many people they have questioned that they cannot write this vertical stroke in a perfect straight line. It is because their hand is not stable enough. So I'm gonna to share you 2 tips to improve this situation. First, you can write within a box. You can control its angle and its length. And second is because your hand is not stable and your breath may also influence your hand, so you can stop to breathe a little bit. And then you can very quickly to write your vertical stroke so that you can write it more smoothly. Of course, it is not the most best choice. The best choice is you practice more and then you can write a perfect vertical stroke. This is called a dropping do. First of all, you need to vertical your brush and then hit the rice paper with the tip of the brush and press your brush 1, 2, and then turn it back to the middle, and then move your wrist to the position of 8. It means downward. And pull your thumb toward to you. And then vertical your brush and then lift up without leaving your rice paper totally, and then upper your brush and then press a little bit toward to the left, press it and then turn it back. And another type of vertical stroke is like a needle. Vertical your brush and then press your brush 1, 2, and then turn it back to the middle, and then move your wrist to the position 8 and pull your brush toward to you. When it comes almost to the end of this stroke, you lift up your brush slowly. There are different types of vertical stroke. We can see it from the end of 2 strokes. This kind is like a needle, and this kind is like a do. At the beginning of the vertical stroke, the angle is important. It is toward to the 9 position. And the middle, you need to slightly lift your pen. At the end, you need to do it very slowly. You need to lift your brush slowly. And then I will introduce 2 Chinese characters for you. The first one is 10. It consists with a horizontal stroke plus a vertical stroke. First is a horizontal stroke. You can recall it at my feet. You can recall it in my previous video. This is a Chinese character of the word 10. And the second one is a Chinese character of the word up. It consists with a vertical stroke and a short horizontal stroke and a long horizontal stroke. This tool work is better for you to practice your horizontal stroke and a vertical stroke together. So if you have any problem, please feel free to comment below. Thank you. Bye.